Afternoon, everyone. Thanks for being here. In regard to downsizing for seniors using a moving company, obviously we recommend that that's the best idea. We are a full-service moving company, and just to give you some insight into that, we will come in to your home, pack it just like it is now. Say you all went home and decided right then you're going to move. We can come in, pack everything, move it to your new location, and unpack it for you if you'd like. You really literally have to do nothing. However, obviously we'd recommend that if you have a lot of stuff, you had someone like Maria come in and thin it out before you did that, because we do bill by the hour. We will do it all, but it's probably in your best interest to have someone like that come in and work with you on that level. In regard specifically to seniors, we move a lot of folks in, out, around retirement communities in Brevard. So we've been into, I would say, pretty much almost all of the larger communities. So we know, what a one-bedroom at this location looks like, what, a one-bedroom den, or, and how much can fit into one of those places. Obviously, a whole house is not going to fit in there. So since we've been throughout, inside and out the communities, we know what you can and can't take, and we can give you some insight into that sort of thing, so you can have a plan as to what maybe you need to get rid of. In regard to packing, I would probably recommend that we were to come in and do, or a moving company to come in and do packing. First of all, a lot of people don't actually know how to pack. Our teams are trained to know specifically how to pack specific items. And in regard to liability, if you have a moving company move all of your items, they're liable for it. So if you pack your, precious china and you maybe don't know exactly how to pack it and it gets broken, that stinks, So if you have a professional come in and pack those super sentimental items for you properly, you will avoid any, damage or, heartbreak for having those items broken. A lot of seniors have limited liability on having people help them, because a lot of kids have grown up and moved away to a different state and that sort of thing. So in terms of having even anyone to help, a lot of times that's limited. So that's where a moving company would come in. And then also in regard to health issues and that sort of thing, we don't want anyone to get hurt doing that. So that's where we would come in. We've got several crews of nice, strong, strapping guys who are able to pick up pretty much anything. And let's see here. Yeah, that's pretty much what we recommend. The fact that, like, Tom and Maria have touched on about moving from your home after living in there 30, 40, 50 years, obviously you're not going to be able to take everything, and that's where it's important to have people in the business and the know-how to know what you can and can't take, or what you should and shouldn't take, and that sort of thing. So it's definitely good to have these kind of resources from everyone here who knows what they're doing. And then in regard to what Tom said on the closings, I can't tell you how many people we have who close both their houses in the same day and have to be out of the house that they're in currently in order to be able to close on it. So we handle those situations in a lot of different ways. We have options on that, but we do that probably once a week for people who are closing both homes in the same day. So it's definitely, we're like the surgical tech team, maybe, on top of that, the surgeon there. But yeah, so that's us. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.
All right, thank you.